जित नाज़रीन इस सर सहरा में इस इवेंट को देखने के लिए कुछ फॉरेनर भी यहाँ पर आए हुए हैं। हम इनसे बात करते हैं, इनसे जानने की कोशिश करते हैं कि वो इस इवेंट के लिए कितना एक्साइटेड। हेलो
how are you?
Sir, how you excited about this event?
Oh, very much. It's beautiful, right? The landscape is amazing. So I'm very excited about what will happen. Yeah.
Okay, thank you. Sir. Hello. How you excited about this event?
It's exciting actually because this is the first time that I have an experience to see this performance in the new country, not in my own country.
Very exciting, and we are so glad that we have a chance to join this ceremony. And people are very nice. They are so kind. They try to explain everything that happened here, like the dancer, the warrior dancer, and the musician. They are so nice. And also the policemen that have very, beautiful uniform and cap, and let us take photos.
Oh, that wow, mashallah. Oh, and the people so nice and friendly. I like Pakistan and Karakoram Highway very much.
मज़ीद अपडेट्स के लिए GB True News HT YouTube चैनल को लाइक करें, सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल आइकन पर ज़रूर क्लिक करें ताकि हमारी सारी वीडियोस आप लोगों को बर वक्त मिल